Hey guys, and welcome back to All Things LaToya. Today I will be doing just 3 quick styles that I use, or go-to hairstyles that I have for my locks at this length. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and join the family. We'd love to have you. Hope you guys have a great day. So this first style is as simple as it comes. You basically just part it to whichever side you prefer, spruce it up a little bit, make sure it's not looking super raggedy, and then you go, girl. That's it. Have a good day. Alright, so for the next hairstyle, don't know why I just held up one rubber band, but you will need 2 rubber bands, and I like this hairstyle. It's kind of just cute and quirky. So I kind of just separate some bangs in the front, and I do 2 little puffs on the side. This is kind of like my go-to if I have to like run errands, and maybe like if I'm gonna like work out or like just do some stuff around the house and I don't want to look too crazy, so I'll just try to put it up a little bit. But yeah, 2 cute little buns, have your makeup done, and you are good to go. So you can fix little areas, imperfections. I just stuff in my little bun and that's it. Alright, so moving on to the next hairstyle. I love this hairstyle because you can really do a lot with it. You can put flowers in it. You can put like some little jewels in your hair, like if you're going to be going out for a night on the town or something like that. So I simply just do a twist in the front, and child, don't worry about these edges. Y'all do y'all's edges. My edges, they're just struggling right now. But anyway, so I simply just pin this side up. So I use several size pins. I use big ones and little ones, whatever gets the job done. So I will pin that in place as good as I can. And then I simply just gather the hair on the other side, and then I will pin those 2 areas together. This is where I use like the bigger pin. And guys, remember with locks, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, locks, it's just kind of like a carefree hairstyle. So that's why I really like it. And so I added an extra pin in there to just make sure it's secure. And we are done. Really, really cute hairstyle. Kind of complements your face. So I love it. All right, y'all. So we're going to do a bonus hairstyle. I just wanted to do this little extra one. The video is really just 3, but I just decided to throw this extra one in there. So I guess it's really 4. Who's counting? Anyway, so I love this little hairstyle. It's very similar to the buns. And I simply, of course, just kind of put some hair down the front, just like little bangs. And you'll need 2 rubber bands for this one as well. And you're just simply going to do 2 little pigtails. I love this hairstyle. I don't know why. But I mean, guys, we're in quarantine, so these styles are just not going to be like, hey, I'm trying to go out and like, you know, look super duper cute. But I mean, you want to look decent. So again, I'm a new mom, so when I wake up in the morning, honey, I'm just trying to get up and go. So I love this little hairstyle, super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed. God bless. So if you don't know, I sell handcrafted lip glosses and we are getting ready for restock. So we have some items left. So check us out at allshadesqueen.com.